Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter Laam. We'll practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some example words that start with Laam. In our last video, we covered the letter Gab. If you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. The letter Laam is a new category for new letters that is coming at the beginning, middle, and end of words. Initial style is this one, middle part is this one, final joint is this one, final joint is this one. Look in the middle part is look like a lip, but we say in a lip we just can connect another letter to the right side, but to the left side we can't. But with Laam, we can connect to both sides, to left and right. Yeah. In a word, for example, Laam, we have loss. Loss. Loss means hand. For example, the Zama last day. The Zama last day. It means this is my hand. The Zama last day. This is my hand. Da means this, Zama means my, last means hand, they mean is. Da Zama last day, this is my hand. Or for example, we have Da Zama la sunedi. Da Zama la sunedi. It means these are my hands. Da means this, Zama means my, la sune means hand, di means are. Look in the previous lesson we'll have Guel and the plural was guluna. And this is the same. Las means hand, lasuna means hands. Da zama lasuna di. These are my hands. Da means this, zama means my, lasuna means hands, di means are. Mashum las purtakar. Mashum las purtakar. It means the child raised his hand. Mashum means child. Las hand. Purta raised. Kar do. Mashum las purtakar. The child raised his hand. For example, we have another word that lam is coming on it. Loba. Loba. Loba means game. ماشومان لوبه کوي. ماشومان لوبه کوي. It means the children are playing. ماشومان means children. ماشوم one child. ماشومان is children. لوبه play. کوي do. It means playing. ماشومان لوبه کوي. The children are playing. دا لوبه ډېره خوندوره ده. دا لوبه ډېره خوندوره ده. It means this game is very fun. دا means this. لوبه game. ډېره very خوندوره fun ده is. دا لوبه ډېره خوندوره ده. This game is very fun. لمر. لمر. لمر means sun. لمر means sun. لمر روښانه دی. لمر روښانه دی. It means the sun is bright. لمر means sun. روښانه means bright. دی means is. لمر روښانه دی. The sun is bright. Or we have نن ورځ لمرینه ده. نن ورځ لمرینه ده. It means today is a sunny day. Nan today. ورځ day. لمرینه sunny ده is. نن ورځ لمرینه ده. Today is sunny day. Yeah. Now is the time to practice all this sentence with me. I will say and you can repeat after me. The only way to learn the language is practice and practice. Let's practice again. Loss, loss, hand. دا زما لاس دی. دا زما لاس دی. This is my hand. دا زما لاسونه دي. دا زما لاسونه دي. These are my hands. ماشوم لاس پورته کړ. ماشوم لاس پورته کړ. The child raised his hand. لوبه، لوبه، game. ماشومان لوبې کوي. ماشومان لوبې کوي. The children are playing. دا لوبه ډېره خوندوره ده. دا لوبه ډېره خوندوره ده. This game is very fun. لمر، لمر، sun. لمر روښانه دی. لمر روښانه دی. The sun is bright. نن ورځ لمرینه ده. نن ورځ لمرینه ده. Today is a sunny day. If you would like to learn Pashto or Dari online, feel free to contact me. I'll guide hundreds of students and deliver thousands of hours on different online platforms like Italki and Farsi. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want a complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.